What are you doing, Ayan? What are you doing? Choo choo, choo choo train, choo choo, choo choo. Move. We can move. Oh. Sorry guys, sorry guys.
I know game. Let's play hide objects. So instead of hiding ourselves, there's one object.
Oh my god, what happened to your train?
We'll hide.
And train broken?
You know what? One of us has the rest of them have to go find. You'll find
Okay, we can do it like this. Oh, this is broken. No,
who wants to hide it.
you have to do like this.
No, it's a thing you have to hide and seek, but like you have to be like so they don't find you. Like for example, I have to do a sky. So I have to be like and make sure. Come on, it's easy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Come on, you don't get it.
Play, Mama. Play.
You don't get it.